How you doing? It's Kai here. In this video I just want to share with you a little trick that I've learnt that will help you become a better salesperson. So let's go. So I'm always looking for the little life hack, the little hack that can help you increase your sales. So as you know, you're probably on YouTube looking up different closing techniques, reading up on books on how to overcome objections, boost your pipeline, all these things, right? So sales is a mountain of learnings that you can go through to become a better salesperson. But the little trick that hasn't been shared with many people, a lot of salespeople I speak to, they're really good, but they don't mention this part, and I think it's an area that needs to be discussed, and it's the area of energy. And that's the thing, is that everything is energy. Everything is energy. I could be a really good closer, I could be a really good person to generate leads and everything, but if I don't have the energy, then I'm not going to do any of those things. You know, just think about it. Let's say that you are a really good salesperson, but then I take you out to a party and you get really drunk, right? Like really drunk, and then the next morning or the next day you wake up and you try to do your work, you try to sell. You're going to be waking up with a hangover, you're going to be tired, grumpy, and your performance is going to drop. And that's the thing, what you eat, what you drink, if you don't exercise, if you don't have the energy, if you don't get enough sleep, it's going to really affect you, you know? It's going to affect the way you behave, the way you do work, how you complete work, and so forth. So you really need to take care of your energy unit. You need to really look after your energy levels. I recently spent about a couple grand, $4,000 on my sleep. I went and saw sleep doctors, and I've realized that I've got an issue called sleep apnea, which is an issue where you sleep and you wake up because the bottom of your throat, it like collapses, and therefore all of a sudden you wake up and you tend to snore quite a bit. Anyway, I've resolved this issue by wearing night splints, and therefore my jaw is open, my jaw is pushed forward, so therefore I can breathe a lot more better, and I'm getting better quality sleep. It's actually life-changing. Because of that, because I've got fantastic sleep now, I'm not drinking 5 cups of coffee a day. I'm only having 1 cup of coffee a day, having a few teas here and there, going to the gym, eating healthy. I feel more energetic. I'm sleeping extremely well, and I've got so much more energy. So when I'm on the phone with people, I talk to them, hey, how you doing? It's Kai here. A lot of people, you know, they just stop, right? Imagine on their side, a lot of people on their side, they're really tired, they're really angry, grumpy, they could be overweight and so forth. And that's the problem, is that they've got low energy, but when they talk to someone who's got high energy, you just naturally follow their lead. And the person who has high energy is going to get things done. You're going to be driving meetings, you're going to be getting stuff done, you're going to be having all this energy to do a lot more things than the other person. And they're just going to let you take control and you take care of the deal. So energy is #1 thing. So I highly recommend for you to get more sleep. Get more sleep, make sure you take care of your sleep. Don't drink too much caffeine. I know sales is a very high pressure job. You want to reach out for the Red Bull, don't do it. 1 cup of coffee a day, and just the rest, just have your black tea. You know, that will give you the caffeine hit that you need, but it's not as high spike, you know, that's going to make you feel very anxious. It's just going to give you that enough energy to keep you going. Go to the gym in the morning and do your weights. Hit the sauna if you've got a sauna there, and yeah, stay away from the soft drinks, and also drink 1 liter of water a day. I know it's a big list now, and eat your salads as well, and also for dinner. I know it's a lot of work, you know. It took me a long time to get to this level, many months, maybe even years to get to this level, but it's worth it, because if you really want to become a professional salesperson, if you really want to get to that next level, you have to become the person. You got to become the person that you want to be. The sales professional who's making so much money in sales, you have to become that person. You have to adopt their same practices. Okay, so I'll leave it with that there. So anyway, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.